With Engage, it's easy to create professional-looking presentations. Engage is a PowerPoint add-in that lets people of any skill level create visually impressive presentations. With Engage, you can add infographics, like pictograms, donut charts, and Gantt charts, right in PowerPoint. You can also add data maps to show your geographic data. Engage also comes with thousands of design assets that are easy to incorporate into any presentation using drag-and-drop functionality. Users can also automate their PowerPoint presentations by linking any shape in PowerPoint to any Excel spreadsheet. When the data in Excel changes, you can update your entire presentation with a touch of a button, including all your text boxes, charts, data tables, images, infographics, and data maps. Are you ready to see what your presentations can look like with Engage? Try Engage for free. Visit Marketo.com today.